Yeah, buddy, do it. Give him the death penalty. That's what he's asking for. That's what we're asking for.
Reaction from the daughter of a murder victim to the convicted killer's tirade in court. He verbally attacked prosecutors, the jury, even his own daughter. Good evening, I'm Kelly Phillips. Thank you for joining us. A convicted killer's outburst is causing a judge to put on hold the sentencing phase of Bartholomew Granger's capital murder trial. Tuesday, a jury deliberated for less than a couple of hours before convicting the 42-year-old Granger of killing a woman outside the Jefferson County Courthouse. He faces the death penalty or an automatic life sentence without the possibility of parole. Granger opened fire on his daughter and her mother, and in the process, he killed 79-year-old Mnnie Ray Sebolt. She was at the courthouse to help a friend with veterans benefits. Granger's daughter and her mother were shot and injured. They were witnesses against Granger in his sexual assault trial. It was underway at the time of the shootings. Another woman was also shot. The trial was moved to Galveston to prevent the jury from walking past the crime scene each day at the Jefferson County Courthouse. Judge Bob Wortham is presiding over the trial in Galveston. KFDM reporter Megan Dillard has been covering the trial since the first day of testimony last week. She joins us live with details from Galveston. Megan?
Well, Granger's outburst was filled with vulgar words and obscenities, but as Judge Bob Wortham tells me, the exchange was also a chance for the judge to determine whether or not Granger is capable of moving forward with the trial. The judge did decide that Granger is competent, and although he delayed the punishment phase today, it will resume first thing tomorrow morning. Now, this is video we got shortly before Granger's outburst. He stared at the media until a bailiff told him to turn around and face the front. Once photographers left the courtroom, the jury came in briefly. The judge asked them to step out, at which point defense attorneys asked the judge for a continuance, stating Granger was incapable of moving forward with the trial. One attorney explained his client suffered some sort of breakdown and was uncontrollable. Granger told the judge, "You people are lying on me." He said, "It's not about me being angry or out of control." Granger called the justice system corrupt and begged, "Where is my American justice?" Granger also verbally attacked the jury. He called them a, quote, all-white jury with one monkey. He also made another racial slur. He referred back to his aggravated sexual assault case and maintained his innocence. He admitted to shooting his daughter after her testimony March of last year. Today he said, "She got what she deserved. It's her that should be dead, not that little old lady." Now, Mnnie Sebolt's family has been in court from the very beginning. Yesterday, her daughter, Deborah Holst, was celebrating the guilty verdict. Today, she continues to say that she's holding out for the death penalty for Granger. When I asked her about her reaction to his outburst this morning, she said she wasn't afraid. She was angry.
I think it's crazy just to try to get off, so to speak. But my lawyer said that that's not going to change, that he's already been convicted of capital murder. And I think he's just maybe it's just setting in with him that he is actually going to get it. And I love the part where he burst out, "Just give me the death penalty. Go ahead and kill me." Miss Hollingsworth and I and most of the people that's on our side is, yeah, buddy, do it. Give him the death penalty. That's what he's asking for. That's what we're asking for. Go for it, baby. Give him the death penalty.
Now, Judge Wortham could not tell us what the court decided behind closed doors, but we did note that defense attorneys asked for a competency hearing for Granger. It all starts back up tomorrow morning at 9, and we'll bring you the latest. Reporting live in Galveston, Megan Dillard, KFDM 6 News.
The Granger outburst in court has drawn thousands of page views and dozens of comments to our KFDM News Facebook page. One person wrote, quote, "He is guilty. He was the one that pulled the trigger that killed that innocent woman that had nothing to do with his already existing problems." And this from another viewer, "I was so surprised to see him walk in and out of the courtroom without handcuffs. I saw this on TV and was just watching and waiting for him to go off and get someone hurt." heard. You can comment on the story or read the comments of others by going to our KFDM News Facebook page.